Hi there, students. Overbearing, an adjective. You can have a verb to overbear, but I don't think it's very common. Let's see. If somebody is overbearing, they're always telling you what to do. Yeah? They're in charge. They know they're in charge, and it's you who have to do what they say. Can be really annoying. Somebody who's domineering, they're arrogant, yeah? They're dictatorial. You must do that. I can't stand his overbearing attitude. He acts so overbearingly that sometimes I just want to hit him. Yeah? His overbearingness is just annoying. Okay, so this mostly is used to talk about somebody who's always telling you what to do. They're bossing everyone around. I'm bossed around here. You could also use it to talk about an influence. For example, something that's overwhelming in power or significance. It's predominant. So I guess in the cinema today, the overbearing influence is American cinema. Yeah, it's the one that has the greatest influence. Yeah, it's something that dominates completely. Although I think that's probably marginally less usual. Yeah, so if if somebody's overbearing, you're being disapproving. You're saying they're imperious. Yeah, somebody that is absolutely determined to tell everybody what to do, and in a rather unpleasant way as well. Come on, don't be so autocratic, don't be so tyrannical, don't be so overbearing. Yeah, unpleasant. Yeah, despotic, officious, bossy. Yeah, bossy, that's probably a word you know. Yeah, somebody who's telling everybody what to do. And as I said, overbearing. The flavour of the flavour of pepper was overbearing in the soup. They just put too much pepper in it. Yeah. I think many people have to deal with an overbearing mother. Yeah. So what is the overbearing consideration in this matter? The boss is so overbearing in the way he deals with his employees. Yeah, he's always trying to make people do exactly what he wants, and in a very unpleasant and forceful way. He's not nice about it. Yeah. So I personally think that a bad manager is somebody who is overbearing with the people that he works with. Yeah, he needs to be respected and be friends with them. Yeah, so overbearing in a domineering, dictatorial way, incredibly bossy. Yeah. So yeah, rudely arrogant. He's just his domineering, overbearing way of doing things. So let's see which factor is of overbearing importance, overwhelming, critical importance. I think keeping the costs down is the overbearing factor in this project. Okay, so let's see, formality. If you call somebody overbearing, I think I'm going to give it a 6.5. I think informally I might just say they're bossy. Yeah, they're just incredibly bossy. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, okay, this comes from overbear. Yeah, this bear has the idea of bear down on, to push down on. Yeah, okay, so overbearing, they're pushing down on people too much. I guess this bear comes from Old English beran, to bring or to carry, from Proto-Germanic berano, to carry or to bear as well. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. I hope I haven't been an overbearing teacher. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Overbearing.